Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica, Statin, reports that the manufacturing sector increased by 1.5% during the second quarter of this year. As it stands, manufacturing accounts for 10% of gross domestic product while employing 90,000 people. Citibank says it has introduced 4 new generative artificial intelligence tools designed to streamline tasks and enhance access to critical information across key areas including compliance, risk, human resources, and finance. Unlike traditional AI, which follows predefined rules, generative AI leverages advanced language models and neural networks to predict and generate original outcomes based on learned patterns. By empowering employees with state-of-the-art technology, Citi says it is accelerating response times, enhancing transaction security through more sophisticated fraud detection, and delivering tailored financial solutions that better address client needs. Standard & Poor's, the world's leading credit rating agency, recently increased the ratings of Montego Bay Airport Revenue, Finance, and King Air to BB+, which is just one notch above Jamaica's rating. King Air and Montego Bay Airport Finance are special purpose vehicles which were used by the government of Jamaica to borrow money using the fees due to it from both airports as collateral. King Air raised US $480 million in September of 2024, while Montego Bay Airport Revenue Finance raised US $63.8 million in July of 2025. The Air Bond, which is due in 2036, attracts a rate of interest of 6.75% per annum, while Montego Bay Airport Revenue Bond, which matures in 2035, is offering a rate of 6.6% per annum. For the trading period ending October 8, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited, Jamaican dollar shares with 7,046,990 units traded, representing 51.73% of market sales volume. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited, with 1,359,630 units traded, representing 9.98% of market sales volume. Investment house JMMB Group Limited, 7.35% cumulative redeemable preference shares with 763,803 units traded, representing 5.61% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On October 8, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $58.1 million purchased and US $66.77 million sold by Forex traders. Traders earned $2.31 per dollar, selling the US at $161.62 and buying the US at $159.30. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders 85 cents per transaction, with selling at $116.07 and buying at $115.22. The British pound yielded Forex traders $1.75 in profits, with selling at $215.81 and buying at $214.06. For our credit report tip of the day, when your business hits a plateau, don't pause, pivot. Stagnation is often a sign that it's time to use smarter financial tools, and your credit profile is one of the most powerful. Strong credit gives you leverage to negotiate better contracts, secure funding, and expand faster. Entrepreneurs who actively manage their credit position themselves to seize opportunity others miss. The moment you start treating your credit as a business growth strategy and not as an afterthought, you reignite your path to progress. Now, when you're building something from nothing and you're moving from financial recovery to financial resistance and beyond, take a moment and recognize when everything feels like it's crashing in, career changes, family demand, financial pressure, and the weight of your own expectations. It's hard to say, but don't freeze. Time to focus. Emotional flooding is real, but it's not your stopping point. It's your signal to act differently. Instead of drowning in overthinking, pause, plan, pivot. Rebuilding as a professional woman after the age of 45 takes strategy, not speed. It's about managing your emotions with intention, your money with structure, and your next move with purpose. You've already survived enough. Now it's time to build deliberately. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step towards your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.